Injera. Ethiopian bread. A bread from Ethiopia. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Sift together the flours, sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Step 2. Combine eggs, buttermilk and oil. Add this mixture all at once to flour mixture. Stir until smooth. Step 3. Pour 2 tablespoons of batter into a hot, lightly greased 6-inch skillet so that the batter covers the bottom. Lift and quickly rotate the pan to even out the batter. Return skillet to medium heat. Step 4. Cook about 1 minute or until lightly browned on the bottom. Serve warm. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.